The only tools you're going to need to complete this job is Honda automatic transmission fluid, a long funnel, and a breaker bar. Always check your owner's manual before proceeding with any repairs. Locate your transmission dipstick yellow loop. It'll be between the battery and the air cleaner, and remove it. With the floor jack, jack the vehicle up to gain access to the drain plug. Remove the transmission drain plug and drain the transmission fluid into a suitable bucket. Always check the condition of the drain plug washer and make sure it's on there when you reinstall the drain plug. Insert your long funnel into the transmission dipstick hole. Carefully fill the transmission. Always use approved Honda automatic transmission fluid. Check the transmission fluid level at normal engine operating temperature. Park the vehicle on level ground. The level is correct when the fluid is between the upper and the lower mark.